So my answer will be a little brief. In my opinion, I think the foremost hurdle will be like limited access to the financial assets and liabilities of the life, making most of the children being bareback to the access to the doors of education. Also, I think the improper infrastructure and development of one's nation negatively impact, especially the minds of the young ones that are not well to cope with such situations in life. And when they see that their country is not progressing well and they're being cut off by one of the most developing countries in the world, they see that they cannot cope with such situation in assessing their education in their respective country. So they try to force seek and concede back in their life, and does not try to pursue their education in their respective field. Like coming to the policies, I think the first and foremost one will be like universal access to the education and all the technological advancements in the world, like internet of things and digital assets and different online and marketing criteria, that how one children can adopt to the situation in an easy and relaxing way rather than being on an unorthodox way. There should also be the development of flexible institutions and pathways, like development of vocational institutes and skill development centers in the nearby areas, and also making children to go and seek education in their respective courses, and their foremost skills can make them cope with such hurdles and hindrances early in their life. There should also be accountability and assessment by the government officials and upper deputy in charges in order to see what zone and what type of region their education is being lagged upon, and what makes them being left out from the rest of the world. Thank you very much. It was very nice to have a conversation with all of you. Thank you very much.